Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice gravy. Start by prepping rice, chopped aromatics, and a quick gravy base of soy, stock, and cornstarch. Heat oil over medium-high heat and fry aromatics until fragrant, then add rice to toast slightly. Whisk sauce until smooth and pour slowly, stirring to coat rice evenly and thicken. Finish with scallions and a taste adjustment before serving. Combine soy sauce, chicken or vegetable stock, and cornstarch in a small bowl and whisk until smooth. Warm the mixture briefly in a saucepan while stirring to remove any starchy raw flavor and achieve a glossy texture. Taste and tweak with a little sugar or salt to balance savory notes. Keep the gravy warm and ready to pour over hot fried rice so it binds and adds a silky, flavorful finish. Start by heating oil in a wide pan or wok until shimmering, then sauté garlic, onion, and any vegetables until soft and fragrant. Add cold rice, breaking apart any clumps and stirring to coat each grain with oil for even browning. Push rice aside, cook eggs if using, then combine everything and stir-fry on high briefly to develop flavor. Pour in the warm gravy toward the end and toss to coat everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.